Hey guys, starting with a 32-ounce tapered cup, and I already prepped it with vinyl sand so it's ready for paint. Just spray painting it the Rust-Oleum flat white. Then once that was dry, I went in with the Rust-Oleum fluorescent pink. I just wanted to give it a white base underneath so that this pink would really pop. And I gave it a good 2 or 3 coats with this fluorescent paint. And you can see how crazy bright it is. So then I'm just going on top with this glitter. It did kind of change the color a little bit, so you could do this without adding glitter, or maybe just like a finer glitter if you really want that neon to pop. But I do really love the sparkle underneath. Once that was dry, I went ahead and did 1 layer of the Artisan Epoxy. Once that was dry, I went in with this Rust-Oleum beige color, and it is really pretty. I'm obsessed with this color. I've used it several times. So then once that was dry, just taking some acetone to wipe off some of the paint. And I did this technique after you guys gave me the tip to do this. I used to just sand off the paint and it was really difficult. So I'm glad you guys told me about this acetone trick. It really does work way better and way faster. So just kind of doing random little just spots and kind of around the edges to make it look a little like worn. So then I did another coat of epoxy, and after that I added these little decals. I just thought it would be a cute little like Aztec kind of style. I just kind of pieced them together as I wanted, just like a bunch of black ones with a teal one every once in a while. So then just using my transfer tape to kind of line them up and make them all in a straight row. So then just lining it up and using the little scraper tool and peeling off the transfer tape. So then I wanted these to kind of go just only on where the tape is and not on the glitter part. And then also I was alternating the arrows going up on one stripe, and then the next stripe they were going down. And I just kept going all the way around the cup. then one final coat of Artisan Epoxy to finish this cup. And I am obsessed with how it turned out. I love just the beige color with the bright pop of neon underneath, but it still has the sparkle and that little touch of the Aztec design. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.